Giant. Now, bro, if you think about it, he's a giant, so I guess he has other talents. I mean, bro, but he's kinda ugly, bro. Nah, nah. For a one night stand, possible. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna hide. Not if I have to. One night stand. One night. Wait, how can I do? Yeah, okay. Here we go. I like this more one night stand. Just for the experience. Just for the experience. Okay. And I mean, night. I think just for the experience, bro. Yeah, you could do that just for the experience. Pekka. I mean, bro, unfortunately, Pekka. Nah, come on, bro. What do you say, pure criminal? Like, this is smash or pass. Okay. I mean, to be honest, bro, the Pekka. Sorry, bro, but actually, Pekka would be good for Didi, bro. She would be good for Didi. Because, like, I mean, she's made of metal. She does need a lot of oil, okay? So, it will also, like, make everything just easier. So, I suppose, yeah, smash, but with a lot of oil. Minions. Sorry, bro, but. Sorry, I can't do that. Balloon. Bro, it's like a hard smash. Because just imagine the scenery. Like, bro, you're on top of a balloon and you are smashing. Like, that's actually that's hella romantic, bro. Smashing on top of a balloon, seeing the entire world. Which, I mean, bro, I think which, whether you're a boy or if a girl, I mean, it is both hard smash. First of all, she can summon me support, help with the whole situation and that. I mean, bro, I think if that alone is pretty good. Now, barbarians, bro, barbarians, you have to be really freaky to go to barbarians. Like, you must like orgies. Like, I think that's a whole thing with barbarians. You must like to go on orgies, bro. 5 men, 5 men. Like, imagine you're a girl and you go with 5 men. Well, I mean, if you're a guy and you go with 6 men, then will be golem. I mean, bro, golem is golem is golem, bro. Like, you can't deny that smile. Look at that. Like, just imagine. This smile is looking straight in your face for the entire night. Where is it? This, bro? This smirk, the way he smirks, like, just amazing. Skeletons, sorry, bro. I mean, nothing can save this guy. Not even a baby oil. Like, with a Pekka, let's continue, bro. Valkyrie. I mean, bro, Valkyrie. I think again, whether or not you are a boy or a girl, also say crazy, bro. Crazy. She's crazy bitch. So, I mean. Very good, but not as good as a witch, okay? Witch is kinda better. Skeleton army. I mean, bro, they are a tier above. Again, I mean, there might be some people that might won't do that because there are like 100 of them. So, I mean, okay, if you want. Bomber. I mean, bro, that's just a disaster. Straight up a disaster. Probably gonna get blown up. Musketeer. Yep. Yeah, bro. I mean, honestly, one of the hottest cards in the game, bro. Baby Dragon. I mean, bro, I fucking no. Like, sorry, I can't do it. Actually, one night stand. I mean, it's just an experience, bro. Like, when I get the chance to do it with something flying, bro. Like a dragon, actually not even flying. I mean, yes, you could say, oh, it's a baby, oh, that's kind of weird. But no, bro, no. As we said, we're gonna say that everyone is of age. Prince. Again, bro, as a girl, Prince, like, he's a perfect match for me. Perfect, like, the smirk. He has like a horse. I mean, bro, I'm on a horse, motherfucker. Take a look at me. Wizard. Bro, I think Wizard is the type of guy to just break your heart. So I think it's like a smash. Okay, not one night stand, but smash. Actually, no, I'm gonna change that. Worth the experience. Worth the experience. I think that's a better title. Worth the experience. Mini Pekka. I mean, bro, definitely not as good as a Pekka because he's mini. But again, with some baby oil, you can do a lot of stuff. Here, go to the fucking trash. Giant skeleton. The same thing with the giant, bro. I mean, when I get the chance to do it with a fucking giant, bro, if you think about it. Like, this guy is like 100 feet taller than you. Hog Rider, I mean, bro, Hog Rider again. Regardless whether or not you are a man or you're a girl, I think the rating's gonna be the same. I mean, bro, hey, Ice Wizard. Nah, bro. I mean, again, for the experience, just because we are freaky ass people here, but, bro, imagine just how cold you will feel. Okay, like, you're gonna be 1, 2, boom. Also, bro, like it will never go. You will always like be fucking shrinker. Royal Giant. I mean, bro, again the same with the Giant, but actually, bro, he's just prettier. So I guess we'll go with this. I mean, like he's the normal Giant, but better. Here. Nah, bro. Like anything skeleton like. Oh. Wait, guys. Sorry, I just lost my words for a bit. I mean, bro. Princess. Yeah. You're going here. I mean, bro. Hey. Actually, no. Above the archers, bro. Above the archers. Let's be honest. Dark Prince. I think. Bro, it's like the fact that just because you have a better looking brother, you're just gonna get degraded. Three Musketeers. I mean, bro. Hey, like if a Musketeer is good, just do that times 3. I mean, bro, sorry, but of course, the more the better. The more the better, bro. But I mean, we're not talking about the relationship, okay? So we're not gonna make a relationship with 3 Musketeers because, yeah, making a relationship with 3, that would be kinda devastating. But bro, like with only like for smashing, yeah, bro, yeah. Lava Hound. You know what? I'm gonna go with smash. Okay. Actually, no. I mean, it's kinda big, and I'm not talking. I'm in the bad sense of big. But she does have the mini pops afterwards. So like when you're done, like when she's done, when like boom, when you think you are done and everything is okay, boom, like 7 little more of her pop up. So I guess, yeah, that's a smash, bro. That's definitely an amazing experience. 9 elixirs, bro. We're not talking about the elixirs. We're just talking about the smashing here. We're looking looks wise. I mean, bro. Okay, of course. I mean, hey, like if you go to a strip club, if you want to get the best thing, you have to pay more. That's how it is. If you want to get the best dance, you have to pay a bit more. Unfortunately. I mean, okay, bro, with the spirits. Sorry, bro. I mean, I can't do with the spirit. I mean, I don't even actually. I spirit for the experience just because I see a big mouth there, but that's the only reason. Here, like I can't even see a penetration point. What, like the eyes? Nah, bro, that's way too freaky. Miner. I mean, bro, actually, no, I don't want to do. I don't want to do anything with miner just because, bro. Like, imagine you have a night with a miner. Okay, you have a night with a miner, and then he wants more. Bro, this guy, he can just dig up to your house. Like just imagine, you do something to your miner, he really likes you, but you didn't really like it. So, bro, this guy just pop ups next to your bed. He just mines his way to your bed. Like, bro, come on. Nah. Sparky. I mean, it will definitely be. I mean, no, again, bro. Like, no entry point. Like, this actually, there is no entry point. Bowler. I mean, bro. I guess, bro, just for the experience again, bro. Like, when again are you gonna see like a purple guy? Like, when again are you gonna have the chance to interact with a purple guy? I mean, bro, don't think so. Lumberjack, bro, Lumberjack. I mean, just imagine again. We're talking as if I was a girl for the guys. Just imagine he pops, bro, that rage. Like in the middle of your session, boom, rage. Like, bro, nah. Actually, you have to really be into that though, bro, because she's gonna destroy you otherwise. Battle Ram. I mean, bro, Battle Ram again. Boom. just imagine, bro. I mean, it's in the name, bro. It's in the name. So sorry, but it's too fucking obvious. It's in the name. They're gonna ram your ass again. Inferno Dragon. Nah, bro. Sorry, I'll take the baby one. Okay. Ice Golem. Again, bro. He's just gonna freeze your ass. Like, not even worth the experience. He's ugly. It's uncomfortable. Like, at least with these two, at least, bro, you like, you can do something. Here, bro, he's ugly as fuck. So, I mean, Mega Minion. Sorry, bro. Like, sorry. Dart Goblin. Now, bro, Dart Goblin. Again, as fuck was a girl. Bro, Dart Goblin. I mean, bro, just imagine the sucking power. The sucking power, bro. This guy, for like the whole game, goes. Like, bro, I mean, I think it's pretty obvious. I think it's pretty obvious, bro. I mean, wait, bro, what the fuck was that? Wait, let me actually, I kinda clip that, bro. That actually looked way worse. Now, Goblin Gang, bro, Goblin Gang. I mean, yes, they are a gang, so you will get gang banged if you like that, okay? But, bro, at the end of the day, they are fucking goblins, okay? Electro Wizard. Now, bro, this guy, again, the same thing. He's just worth the experience, bro. It's gonna be a electrifying night. Electrified. Elite Barbarians. I mean, bro, Elite Barbarians, they have to be up here, bro. Like, it's the Barbarians, but they're the elite ones. Like, they're the good ones. They're the ones with the money. Get what I'm saying? Hey. Hey, money is money, bro. Money is money. You can't deny that, unfortunately. You can't deny money. Next. Hunter. Broken ass card. But, bro, for that stuff, no. Sorry, bro. Yeah, the mustache is good, but Executioner. Nah, bro, this guy, he's just gonna cut off your dick. No, not even worth it, bro. Look at his dumb ass face, bro. He's so clumsy. Just drop his fucking axe and boom. Not worth it. Bandit. Bro, Bandit, I mean, she's kinda bad. She's kinda bad, I mean, let's be honest. Royal Recruits. I mean, bro, if you want to go with a Royal Recruit, you are like reaching a Bonnie, what was his name? Bonnie Blue. Yeah, Bonnie Blue numbers, bro. You want to go with 7 guys at the same time. 7 guys at the same time. I mean, bro, hey, your choice. Your choice. I don't make the rules. I don't make the rules. Night Witch. And I mean, bro, but just like the bats will be fucking annoying. Because at least with the witch, the skeletons, they will not be as annoying. But, bro, the bats, they're just gonna be flying around like idiots, bro, in the room. I mean, I guess it's smash, but no, like the bats. Nah, don't want the bats. Sorry. Royal Ghost. Hey, I mean, bro. Hey. Some people like the gilfs. Like older men. Hey. But the only thing is, he's gonna ghost you. Come on, guys, please laugh. Please laugh in the chat for that. Please laugh in the chat for that. He's gonna ghost you. He's a ghost. Royal Ghost. Come on, bro. That was fucking good. Come on. Ram Rider. Again, bro, you get 2 for the price of 1. And also, look at this freaky ass, bro. Look at this. He already tongues out. I mean, hey. Zappies. Now, bro, if we're being honest, Zappies, like, Zappies are not like you can't do anything with the Zappies. Zappies, to be honest, they're more of like a decoration, that just to make the night more interesting. Like, Zappies are if like you're doing somebody else and just here zapping your ass. Which, I mean, okay, if you like it, but like Zappies alone, not that good. Okay, not that good. Next, these guys. I mean, you know what? The problem here is that unfortunately you will have to become gay, okay? Because whether or not you are a girl or a boy, you have to do it with the opposite sex. So no, not even worth experience. I mean, they're just humans, not like there is any experience there. Canon. I mean, hey, bro, hey, worth experience. You can just like, bro. I mean, like there is a hole ready for you. There is just a hole looking at you. Mega Knight. Nah, bro, actually I need to go with a Mega Knight just to teach him some manners, bro. This fucker, I fucking hate this guy. Like, honestly, I will just smash him just so I can fucking, I don't know, kill him. So I can fucking destroy him. Something like that. Like, I'm not interested in the actual sex with him. Just like, I want to actually to get to know him. Like, why the fuck, why does he do what he does? Like, why does he want to ruin every single one of my fucking games? This, no, bro, I mean, let's be honest, bro. I mean, there's nothing special. Like, it's not even an experience. It's just boom, they come out of the air, drop in your ass, and I mean, not good. Here, the cannon. I mean, bro, the only unfortunate thing is, yeah, like, you can't reach him. So yes, I mean, this better, but no, bro, this, I mean, you can't even reach it. Like, What are you like this? Are you gonna jump around like an idiot, try to catch it? Like, get what I'm saying? Not really good. This, the DD Gauge. I mean, hey, bro, wait, do you have the Evolve one? Okay, so since you don't have the Evolve one, bro, this guy, hey, if you want it rough, he's the guy for you, bro. Like, I think he's a guy to make it rough for you. Really, really rough. This, the Talibans. No, sorry. Royal Hogs. I mean, bro, I'm not doing it with a fucking pig, okay? This, no, bro, get the fuck out. Fisherman. I mean, bro, actually, no pass. Just because, bro, this guy, he's gonna stink like fish, bro. I mean, already, like, if you're going with a girl and they smell like fish, that's already bad. Now imagine a guy that all he does is go with fish, like, catch fish. I mean, he's fucking holding one in his hand. This guy, I don't know, bro, he seems like a douche, like, he seems like you will smash with him and he will never talk to you. Okay, I guess it's much. Later Dragon. Sorry, bro, I mean, just for experience, I guess. Firecracker, yep, I mean, hey. Elixir Golem, bro. I mean, it will be a night you will never forget. Let's be honest. I don't think anybody's gonna forget a night with Elixir Golem. You get 1 plus 2 plus 8. You get 11 of them. 11. I mean, bro. And they're also really slimy. If you like that, I guess you're good. This, not really. Battle Healer. Yup. And bro, like, after you're done and you're exhausted, boom, she will just heal you like that. You'll be back to full energy. Honestly, bro, wait, just for that, bro, she has to go like here, bro. Because after you're done, she's just full of energy. Here, Skeleton Dragons. Yeah, nah, bro, sorry. Just dragons, but worse. This guy, no. Like, he will just zap you and just be disappeared. Boop, zap, and gone. This guy, I mean, bro, this guy, you can't even get near him. Like, you will try to get near him, he will just zap your ass. I mean, no, bro, I mean, that's too kinky for me, too kinky. Mother Witch. No, bro, because at least a real ghost, this guy, he has some aura, like, he has aura, he's also, like, kinda prettier. This, she's just like an ugly old lady, I mean, sorry, bro. Phoenix. Nah, bro, I mean, you will not actually fuck you. He will just keep pecking you from the sky. Yeah, that will be annoying as fuck. Skeleton King. Nah, sorry. I know you're a king and all that. Golden Knight. Ho ho. Get on the top, baby. Get on the top. Archer Queen. I mean, bro, again, get to the fucking top. These two, bro. I mean, hey. This guy. Nah, sorry, bro. Again, the same thing with a miner. He'll just mine to your house. Monk. I mean, bro, Monk is not just for the experience, but I don't think Monk will want to fuck with you. I think he will just sit there and he want to, like, meditate with you. He will, like, talk to you about life. Actually, bro, just imagine, after you are finished, after both of you are finished, bro, this guy is gonna start talking about life. Like, his experience and stuff, so you get a lot of wisdom from that. That's actually good. This, I don't know what this is. Little Prince. I mean, bro, he's ugly. And also, like, he's fucking so little. This, I don't know. This, I don't know. This, I don't know. This, even though I don't know, bro, I mean, he's just this guy, but better. Like, he's this guy, but a bit more kinky. This, I don't know. This, I don't know. This again, I don't know. And let's go to the evolutions. Actually, I mean, there is no point in the evolution, bro. The evolution is just the same cards, but yeah, I mean, pretty much the same cards, yeah. But yeah, bro, this is the official Smash or Pass list. I mean, bro, I think my explanations were pretty good for each one. I think, bro, my explanations were pretty fucking good. Let's be honest. Hey, I mean, bro. Wait, let me actually see. Okay. But bro, actually, let me put him a bit more. Yeah, like here, bro. I mean, this guy, he has skills, okay? And as we say, talent gets you further away than hard work gets you further away than talent, okay? But yeah, take a screenshot, boys. Take a screenshot. Next time you open Clash Royale, you should know which deck you